crafters, I'm coming in with another DIY Artbin Store project. They are on AliExpress, and I'll have all the links down below for these dies, and I think you're just going to love them as much as I do. So we have this cute, adorable little Joy gingerbread die, and I love it, and I definitely think that you will love it too. So this definitely needs to be a part of your stash. And then right here we have this super cute little mouse right here. There are two little mouses, and then we have the branch, and then we have a little European robin along with some holly leaves and some berries, and I love that. And then also we have this really super cute layering die that is a Frosty the Snowman and his little dog, and it is just so stinking cute. You have the little word joy in here, and you have all the little pieces to put them together. So let me show you what I've made. So the first thing right here is a little Dex card that I made, and this is using the mouse and robin die, and I love how it turned out. Now I do want to say that I used the berries again on another card in here too. So you can definitely use these little items throughout your projects. You know what I'm saying? Your Christmas projects, and I love that. And I think it just turned out so cute. So I used a lot of Tim Holtz Distress inks, and then I also used my colored pencils just to fill in a few more colors that I didn't have in Distress inks. And then again, of course, do my little outline of the little mouse and the bird. And I just love how it turned out. It's so cute. And then next, this is one of my favorite ones, is this adorable Joy tag using the little layered gingerbread face. And what I did was I cut this out several times in different colors, and then I also cut it out in foam so that I could pop up the Joy perfectly, and I think it just turned out so cute. See, like along the side you can see that it goes nice and blends well. And then I used my little flat back snowflakes again that I got from Amazon, and my little lace that I got from Amazon. And of course, this little tag die is from KS Crafts, and I'll have that link down below for you as well in case you're interested. And then I also have another Dex card that I made with a little Frosty. I think I'm actually going to use them as tags because they're just so cute, and I think these will look great on presents. So I love the little Frosty. I used some little enamel dots for the hat, and then the little pooch's nose. And again, I just did a lot of layering with different colors and patterns of paper, and I think it turned out so pretty. And again, these little Dex cards, if I've mentioned, I have mentioned in another video that these are from a digital cut file on Etsy. So I will have that link down below. So guys, I hope you love these, and I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous weekend. And I will be seeing you all soon with another DIY Artbin project. Bye y'all.